So based on that, I did a research to evaluate what was the technologies available in the market to reduce the water content. And there are many of them, and some of them has subcategories, but we'll see in this presentation only the main ones. And one of them is the condensation, and I will talk more about which one of these technologies. The other one is membrane. We have the adsorption option, and we have the absorption option. And we have a very known chart where we can pre-evaluate what is the best technologies depending on the wet gas water content and what are the requirements for the dry gas water content. So in my case, for instance, we have seen that we have around 280 pounds per million cubic feet of water. So it is around here because we are seeing a logarithmic scale here. So we have something around here. And in terms of dew point, what I need is near minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit. So my technology probably will be something related or to silica gel or to advanced glycol. And we'll see what are that. If we have too much water content in your stream, we can start with compression and cooling. And if you need a very, very low water dew point like we have in the air separation units because the cryogenic process, and also in the LNG process because the cryogenic process, we probably will use the molecular sieve, and sometimes we reduce with another technology and we get and to do a polishing or to make sure that we reduce all the water content, we use molecular sieve.